Hello and welcome to Azariah's Studio. My name is Sarah. I am the artist and designer behind Azariah's Studio. Alright, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to count your rows in moss stitch. So moss stitch is simply knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. And then on the other side, on row 2, you take them as they lie. And then on row 3, you do the opposite. So right here I have purls, on top I have knits, and then I have purls, and then I have knits again. Row 4, you also take them as they lie. This is a swatch that I've done. So I'm just going to pick this purl spot right here. Each of these is 2 rows. Just going to mark this purl spot as my beginning row. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. It's one way to count them. Or how many times do I have purls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you need to multiply that by 4 to get the correct number of rows. And down here, this is the cast on. So these are knits, these are purls, these are knits, these are purls. So these are easy to count too. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Don't know what happened here. Looks like I pulled a stitch when I was blocking it. Now, if you have a buttonhole that you're working, it makes it simple to count. So instead of having to come way down here, let's say I know this buttonhole was on row 6. So this is 6. Lighting's part of the problem, especially with this color. I love this color, but sometimes the light gets weird and it's hard to see what you got. There we go. So this is 6. It doesn't matter if it's knits or purls. It's 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And this guy, the next buttonhole is on 22. I like counting the stitches in a moss stitch piece, or counting the rows. Counting the rows in a moss stitch piece is easy. You can see them, especially when you get them laid out. So this piece is blocked. This piece is not blocked. You can see they are slightly different. Let me spread the back out a little bit for you. Just a little bit tighter, maybe not quite as flat. But you can still see them. And that is how you count rows in moss stitch. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, be sure to like and subscribe. If you have more questions, you can always email me, sarah@azariahsfiberarts.com, or drop a comment below. Happy making!